I am 39 years old, and at the age of 38, I had a stroke, which left me with no speech, mumbled speech, and not walking or moving on my own. I found YogaFaith while looking for some gentle yoga because my doctor released me to try to gain my strength. And I decided that I wanted to do this for myself, just to heal my body and to spend time with Jesus on my mat. And after this experience, I definitely want to go out forth into the community and spread the good news of the faith of Jesus, but also the healing of yoga and the YogaFaith name and brand, because my heart is so full. This experience has just been life-changing. Words can't even express the gratitude that I have for Michelle Thielen, for just going with God and trusting Him in His process and bringing YogaFaith to the community and to the world. And I'm just so forever grateful to Michelle and the YogaFaith instructors and team and my God.